Welcome to Pairaphrase, the cloud-based translation management system for professionals. In this video, you'll learn how to translate a file using Pairaphrase. Pairaphrase gives you the ability to perform secure and confidential file translations online, edit translations to improve quality, and reuse translations to ensure consistency, saving you a significant amount of time and money. To translate and post-edit your file with Pairaphrase File Translator, follow these steps. First, log in to Pairaphrase. Choose your translation engine from several different translation providers and technologies like neural machine translation, large language model, and artificial intelligence, or AI. Then go to the Translate page and select the source language and target language. Next, upload your file. Pairaphrase will retain your file's formatting and file framework for 24 file types. Now, click Translate File. This will give you a first draft translation of your file. When your file status changes to Draft, open the file. The translation editor will now display your file text in segments. Edit the segments displayed in red, yellow, and blue. Your edits are now saved in your translation memory for automatic future recall, and all repetitions of them are automatically replaced within your active file. When finished, click Done on the top right. To retrieve your translated file, go to Download and select Download Translation or Save to Google Drive. When you post-edit your translations with Pairaphrase, you achieve continuous translation quality improvements, train your large language model, or LLM, reduce the hours worked on translation development, and reduce costs associated with high-quality translations. The more people who use Pairaphrase at your organization, the faster and bigger the return will be. To learn more about using the features that power the File Translator, watch our other videos. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned and like this video if you found it helpful.